What do we got here? Well, that's where we tore it last week. And without further ado, there we have a roll of belting. Yeah, we're not lazy around here. Either that or just a sucker for punishment. I don't know what to tell you. Anyhow, 1,728 bolts plus a couple on either end, 1,728 holes. I'm not gonna do a time lapse of this because it's gonna take me so, I don't know. I hope I can do it in a couple days, maybe 3 days. I still got to pull the other track off, but one at a time. Transmission's done in this thing, so we just discovered that it had a brake leak, and yeah. More repairs. Oh yeah. New sign. Got to get it up one of these days too. Just never ends around here.